Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about 12 to 15 seconds. And after that you can release the button and your watch should reboot. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. After 12 seconds the screen should turn off. Now you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.